Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Well, it is that time of year again, you guys. Can't believe it. The year went so fast. But it is another wonderful year of Cookmas. So today is Cookmas Day 1. Thanks for joining me on this journey. This journey where I will go ahead and give you guys delicious recipes for the month of December. And to kick things off for Cookmas Day 1, we're going to go ahead and make a wonderful bacon cheeseburger soup. This bacon cheeseburger soup is full of all the good flavors that you would find in a nice juicy cheeseburger, but it is in the form of a nice hearty soup. So hopefully you guys are ready to kick things off. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will know every time I drop a new Cookmas video. So let's go ahead and get started. guys, so here is the bacon cheeseburger soup. Again, the flavors in there with the beef, the bacon, the cheese, and the potatoes. Everything tastes just as good as a burger and fries would. The soup is a wonderful texture, and then the bites of everything else throughout is like an extra bonus to the soup. Hopefully you guys do give this one a try. It was pretty quick and easy. We did make it in the crock pot, so it was pretty much a dump and go with everything, but you could also make this on the stovetop as well. So hopefully you did enjoy today's Cookmas video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you guys have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.